So now, a while ago, I got a bunch of these photodiodes, actually probably many years ago, probably about when the channel started. I bought a label maker and made a label, and I think I have a video out where I did that. But in any case, I got probably about 100 of them. I got them from eBay and never really knew what to do with them. So, this video, we're going to start with the red LED and then wire it here. So the resistor's up one row, or up two rows I should say, from where the jumper is. We're going to forward bias it, short lead the cathode to the jumper, long lead the anode towards the resistor, which heads to the positive rail. The photodiode, we're actually going to reverse bias it, and we have to for the circuit. So we're going to put the cathode, the short lead, towards the positive side, the anode towards the negative side of the power supply, and I'm blocking the light on it pretty good. When I remove my finger, now you can see that the LED lights up. So the LED is not very bright, and so I'm not sure exactly what the current is going through it, probably 1, 2, or 3 milliamps maybe. The green LED is a lot more obnoxious, and so we will plug that in, and oftentimes it's too bright, and even now it is not, I didn't mean to turn that off, but it is not terribly bright right now, and we can turn it off. So the light makes the LED conduct better. That is the main thing. So I have the multimeter here. Let's see if we can actually get a voltage measurement across the photodiode. That's what it's called. So it has about 2 volts across it right now. When I put my finger over it, it goes higher. And of course the green LED is blocking about 2.2 volts. And so we're blocking basically the full voltage of the power supply. And so even with somewhat bright light on there, it's blocking about that much. So it's still blocking quite a bit, but we don't need much current for the green LED to light up. But the main takeaway is the photodiode conducts better with the more light on it. And so that's it for this video. Just a quick demonstration. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.